everyone, I am Kat. Welcome to my channel. You have arrived. For today's video, I have a curl refresh and a summer fun makeup look for you. So if you'd like to check and see how I accomplish this look, stick around with me and keep watching. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and come follow me on Instagram at Kat's Beauty Station. So once I have these eyes nice and primed, I'm going to go ahead and give them a quick set and then move on to my curl refresh. Quick pause and moving on up to the curl. So I'm going to remove my satin scrunchie from Satin Scrunching Company, and I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into two parts, half up, half down. This is one of the quickest ways that I like to refresh my curls. So I pick up my spray bottle that is filled with water only, and then my product of choice, this one today is from Brown, and I'm going to first spritz my hair with some water and then work a little bit of the product with prayer hands. No raking, so I'm just kind of sliding and smoothing my hands across my curls, occasional scrunching if necessary, and then I just move on to the top part. So spritz it first with some water and then work that product onto my hands and then smooth it onto my curls with prayer hands and scrunching. Once I'm done refreshing, I'm going to pull my curls straight back and then put my Zazzy band on. This is going to keep my curls back and out of my face so I can continue my makeup look. So here I'm going to go ahead and add my concealer. I'm going to work on each section and then blend it out with my finger. After that, I'm going to use my Brightening Eye Perfector, which is also from Neutrogena, and I'm going to blend that out with my finger as well, and then set everything with my favorite loose face powder from Airspun. Time for bronzer and blush. I'm going to begin with the bronzer and I'm going to work that into my cheekbones and then into my temples and my jawline. Then I'm going to use the brush that comes with the bronzer to contour my nose. After that, I'm going to go ahead and use a clean brush to kind of blend out those rough edges, kind of soften them up some, and then work the beautiful blush into my cheeks for a little extra pop. And then off camera, we're going to add some brows. Jumping up to the eyes. So the first color I'm going to sweep into my crease is a nice light brown shade. Then this medium shade I'm going to use, it's a little more of a kind of a red brown, and I'm going to work that into the crease as well. And then a darker red brown shade, and then I'm just going to keep building and building the color until it's really nice and intense. After that, I'm going to pick up a jumbo pencil. It's a beautiful mocha shade, and work that onto my lid and then blend it out with the pad of my finger. And then lastly, picking up a gorgeous cappuccino shimmer shadow and then packing that on, and of course blend out the edge. Now to the lower lash line. So I'm using some more of those jumbo pencils, and then from the inner corner I'm working with a nice beautiful bright yellow shade, in the middle an orange, and then fading into a gorgeous red rust shade, and then blend that edge out with a nice light brown. For the waterline, I'm using this gorgeous bronze liner from Urban Decay. Then we're quickly gonna match the second eye. Off camera, I'm gonna add my liner and my lashes and mascara. Now with editing magic, it's time to set, fan it out. And then after adding my setting spray, I love adding my highlight. So the inner corner, I'm gonna get the bridge of my nose, the tip of my nose, sexy time, the Cupid's bow, my cheekbones, and my brow bone. Now moving on to the lips. So I'm starting with this gorgeous bright red liquid lipstick from Kat Von D, and then I'm gonna add this gorgeous orange shade also from Kat Von D to the inner portion, hit the middle with some highlight. And now you see it jumping up to the curls. So for the end of the refresh, I'm going to go ahead and use some of my favorite body and hair oil to give myself a scalp massage. I'm going to separate my curls, give them a nice little fluff. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and pick up my hair pick and a hairspray from Bounce Curl. It is curl friendly, so don't be scared of it. Give it a little spritz to your hair pick. Then we're gonna fluff out these curls some, get a little more volume, and then once that is done, the look is complete. Thank you so much everyone for checking out my video today. I hope all of my makeup lovers and my curl friends, I hope you'll come back next week for another video. Take care.